All right, so what's up, people? This is my preliminary investigations. Okay. So, all right, this is fucked up because this is how my mind works. All right. So we have Iblis, right? These are the 11 times, right? And then we have Shaitan, which is here, here, and then all the way down to here, right? Now, what are these over here? These are unique occurrences. So, like, for example, how should I fucking put this? These are the surahs in which, okay, so, for example, if in surah number 2, there is an occurrence of both Shaitan and Iblis, which there is, 234, and then a bunch in here, right? So it occurs in both. So then we write that down as a star, right? These are the surahs basically here. These are all the surahs in which either of the words are mentioned, or actually, if you get what I'm saying. And then you'll notice that there is a one occurrence in Surah 34 in which there is no corresponding, right? There is no corresponding. 34, it goes 31, 35, right? So it's a 1-to-8 ratio, if that makes any sense. These are the surahs in which, words are mentioned, right? And then the star is when they're both mentioned in the same surah, right? And then we come over here and we're looking at doubles. So Shaitan, Iblis is never doubled. That means when the word appears twice within the same ayat. There are 8 of those. But then there is also one in which it's a triplicate. So it's an 8 plus 1. Right? So I'm looking at a 1 and an 8 and an 8 plus 1. And then what is 1 plus 8? It's 9. What are we doing? We're doing 999 eventually, and it breaks down to 88 and 11, which is 8 and 1, theoretically, right? So, oh yeah, we're getting to work on this, buddy. Now what I need to do is I need to take these surahs here, and I need to put those in order of revelation. Now you'll notice that for the most part, these surahs tend to be early on. They tend to be pretty early on, which means they tend to be pretty late within the revelation structure. But you still have a little bit here, and even like kind of in here, that might be middling as far as the series of revelation. So yeah, this is really, really interesting. And then you have right here the 1 to the 11, and then you have here, the 8 to the 88. I guess, I don't know, man. All we're trying to do is find out numbers, find out patterns, right?